The variable $home is root for my laptop. Create a virtual environment for Python 3 on the home folder. And it's created. By the source command can be used with Python and command for just this folder. Let's install Flask with the just one line command. It's done, and create a Python file, then add it with nano. The first, import Flask from Flask. Flask app equals Flask name app.root slash and make a definite function the line below the app.root class, and function return should be string like this. Save and run the script. Done nothing because we don't call up. Yeah. Because we did not call app main app run like this, and again, yeah, default port number is 5000. Let's see. You can see even we added the source code, it will be nothing. Nano our py file, and let's edit the return line. It's changed. You can see because script is running with the first code, should be restarted to see change. You can see. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.